Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. First of all, let me show you my real trading account. So you can see that I'm trading on a live account, not a demo account. Now let's select the Ichimoku indicator. Next we'll choose the JPY CAD currency pair and place our first buy trade. Now let's talk about the Ichimoku indicator. The Ichimoku indicator is a complete trend following tool that helps traders identify the market trend, support and resistance levels, and potential entry opportunities. It consists of multiple lines and a cloud that provide a clear view of market direction. When the price is above the cloud with bullish confirmation, it may indicate a buy opportunity. When the price is below the cloud with bearish confirmation, it may indicate a sell opportunity. Always wait for proper confirmation before entering a trade, and never rely on a single signal. As you can see, our first trade has closed in win. Now let's select another currency pair, EOSR USD, and this time we'll place a buy trade. Remember, trading is not a shortcut to success. It requires patience, discipline, proper risk management. Land a well-planned strategy. Never risk more than you can afford to lose. As you can see on the screen, our second trade has also closed in win. If you also want authentic trading signals or would like to receive free daily trading signals, join our free Telegram channel. The Telegram link is available in the video description.